Running for 30 minutes every day can have numerous positive effects on your body. Here are some of the changes you might experience. Improved cardiovascular health. Regular running increases your heart rate, strengthens your heart muscles, and improves blood circulation. It can lower the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular fitness. Weight management. Running burns calories, and engaging in it regularly can contribute to weight loss or weight maintenance. The exact number of calories burned depends on various factors like your weight, pace, and intensity of running. Increased muscle strength and endurance. Running engages multiple muscle groups in your legs, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes. Over time, this can lead to increased muscle tone, strength, and endurance. Bone density improvement. Running is a weight-bearing exercise that stimulates the bones, promoting bone growth and density. Regular running can help prevent osteoporosis and reduce the risk of fractures. Improved lung function. Running increases your lung capacity by making your lungs work harder to deliver oxygen to your muscles. This can improve respiratory efficiency and enhance overall lung function. Enhanced mental well-being. Running releases endorphins, which are feel-good hormones that can improve mood and reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. It can also enhance cognitive function, memory, and overall mental well-being. Increased energy levels. Despite the physical exertion, running can actually boost your energy levels. Regular aerobic exercise like running improves your body's oxygen utilization, leading to increased energy production and better stamina throughout the day. Better sleep quality. Regular physical activity, including running, can promote better sleep patterns. Running helps to regulate your circadian rhythm, decrease anxiety and stress, and tire your body, resulting in more restful sleep. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Engaging in regular exercise like running can help lower the risk of various chronic conditions, including type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, stroke, and metabolic syndrome. Improved immune function. Moderate intensity exercise, such as running, can boost the immune system by improving circulation, promoting the production of antibodies, and reducing inflammation.